The HTTP equiv meta is even more important than the name meta. It provides vital information to your browser. The most important application of the HTTP equiv meta is setting language encoding. This is particularly important for non-English or multilingual web pages. To set a language encoding, you set the first attribute, HTTP equiv, to content hyphen type. The value of the second attribute, content, is made up of two parts. The first part is text/HTML. Behind the first part, you need to put a semicolon. The second part is to tell the browser the language encoding. Charset =, the language encoding you need. If you are making a multilingual page, you put charset =, UTF-8. You are also advised to make a language declaration. You set HTTP equiv to content-language and content to the corresponding language code. You can find the language code you need from this website.